big long welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the background, I'm somewhere different, and for those who didn't know, which would be probably none of you because I've been totally MIA from YouTube and everything for the past year and a bit, I am in the United States on an exchange program for my university at UConn, if that wasn't already obvious. So I've been here for over 2 months now. I thought I would just do a quick dorm room tour. So as you first walk in the door, first thing you see is the mini fridge and the microwave that was so nicely provided by my roommates. And then we've got a massive dresser, a bunch of stuff, some like cooking things, some of our bottles. And this is my dresser in particular, which is closest to the door. And then we have a tiny little closet space area. So these are the clothes that I brought with me that I need to hang. And then I have this thing from Miniso that my sisters gave me, and I just use it to divide clothes, like my pajamas and things like that. It's basically the closet, cleaning supplies, where we hang up some of our clothes. That's me. This is the bathroom that we share with another room. I won't show you all of that because it's just a bathroom. And then you have our room. So this is my roommate's side. My other roommate's side, I don't want to show too much because it's their personal stuff. This is my side. As you first see my desk, I've got all of my makeup brushes in a red solo cup because I don't have my makeup brush holder, and I've got this lamp that UConn has provided us with for free, which is so nice. My laptop and my keyboard, because the other day I dropped my laptop and broke the keyboard and the keyboard doesn't work, so I had to get one. And then I've got a window. The view is of the back of a hockey field, I think, and you can't see anything. And then I've got my little books there. And then I've got these tiny dot-sized lights that you can't even see anything with. And then we have my bed. It's very plain. When I first came, I had this really cheap duvet thing that I got from Walmart. I think it was like $15. This cheapo IKEA sheet. This Miniso blanket that I've taken everywhere with me when I travel. So I printed these photos off Walgreens. I actually didn't print them off in Australia, and I really wish that I did in hindsight, because let me tell you, printing photos online on Walgreens, it's very expensive. So here we've got my dog side. You guys remember Obi? I see him so much. Those are just photos of Obi. And then I've got this little board dedicated to pug memes, because two things I love in the world, pugs and memes. And then I've just got a bunch of photos, my friends, my family. This is a board of some of my highlights from my America trip with my best friend Queenie. Got 2 command hooks with my towel and my face towel. Underneath the bed, we kind of lofted the bed a little bit so we had room put in our drawer. And also this is like a nice red rug that my roommates brought. So nice of them. They brought everything. I pretty much had nothing to contribute besides like toilet paper. Yeah, it's very roomy. Everything's to the side, so it's nice and open. It's not cramped. These are literally all of the shoes that I brought with me. And then here's my special backpack that I take with me to school. My suitcase is down there. That is like the only suitcase I brought with me to America. And then I had like a small carry-on. Well, so that concludes my dorm room tour. It was really short, but I hope you guys got to see a little bit, get some ideas. Nothing too fancy on my side, it's very basic. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that and got to know me a little bit better somehow through this. And I will be filming more videos. I've got lots of hauls coming up. I've done so much shopping, and yeah, if you want to subscribe, don't, it's cool. I'll see you guys in my next one.